Welcome back to Lesson 2, Chapter 5 of Crypto Zombies, Inheritance. Our game code is getting quite long. Rather than making one extremely long contract, sometimes it makes sense to split your code logic across multiple contracts to organize the code. One feature of Solidity that makes this more manageable is contract inheritance. Here we have contract dog, and it has this function catchphrase, which returns "So wow crypto dog." Then we have another contract, baby dog, is dog, and its function is another catchphrase. So baby dog inherits from dog. That means if you compile and deploy baby dog, it will have access to both catchphrase and another catchphrase, and any other public functions we may define on dog. This can be used for logical inheritance, such as with a subclass. A cat is an animal. But it can also be used simply for organizing your code by grouping similar logic together into different contracts. So we put it to the test. In the next chapters, we're going to be implementing the functionality for our zombies to feed and multiply. Let's put this logic into its own contract that inherits all the methods from ZombieFactory. So make a contract called ZombieFeeding below ZombieFactory. This contract should inherit from our ZombieFactory contract. So under our ZombieFactory contract, we're going to write under it, create similar to what they did here, but ours is going to be contract ZombieFeeding is ZombieFactory, and then opening and closing curly brace. And let's look at that. Does look similar. Contract ZombieFeeding is ZombieFactory. So make a contract called ZombieFeeding, which we did. It should inherit from ZombieFactory, which it does. Here's that is keyword. So that will give us access to ZombieFactory. Let us check this. And we did pass it. So the important thing to take away from this lesson is inheritance. And we are able to utilize another contract with inheritance. We use inheritance by using the is keyword. So we create our contract, call it something, then is, and then the contract that we're going to inherit from. As long as you guys understand inheritance, you're understanding this lesson, and I'll see you guys on the next lesson. Make sure to share, like, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys then.